What's up, Slayers? You guys have been asking, so here's how we mount a flush-mounted load center. I use my Klein level. The width of a Klein level is the perfect width of a 2x4, and since there's a 2x4 usually on either side of a panel, all you gotta do is line your Klein level up with that, and then you can make your mark on your load center. Once you have your mark, I like to cut a small hole. That way I can look behind the wall, make sure there's no Romex on the stud, make sure there's no hidden outlets that have been drywalled in. That way I can adjust my box up or down from there if I need to. If you're clear, I make my big cut, push the insulation aside. I'll get my hole drilled for my nipple to go into the side of my load center. So I try to drill lower outside if I can. That way I can just reach up and grab the flex. But in this case, I had to drill an access hole because I couldn't drill too low outside. This is our nipple going into the side of the panel from the side of the load center. Then we secure our load center to the stud. Then all you gotta do is get your wire pulled through, get everything wired up. Then you just gotta get your covers put on, make sure they're nice and lined up and level. Once she's level, just slap your panel cover on and that's it. I'll send someone back to patch and paint that drywall later, but that's how we do it.